Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide chat without delete the chat on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Snapchat is one of the most popular social media apps among teenagers. They like to communicate and use fun filters. However, so much goes through my mind when users say they hide their chat. So, how if you want to hide your conversation with someone on Snapchat without delete the conversation? It's very simple. First of all, of course, to how to open our Snapchat, you can go to your conversation list. Now, you can just choose on the chat that you want to hide. For example, I want to hide this conversation, I think. This one. Now, you can just tap and hold on the chat. Select on chat and notification settings. Select on clear from chat feed. So when you clear chat from feed, this will clear the conversation from your feed and it will not delete any save or send messages in your conversation. Hit select on clear. So now you have removed that chat from your chat feed. It's very simple, right? And also maybe this one too, like this, clear from chat feed. So you have hide that from your chat feed. It's very simple, right? So that is how to hide chat on Snapchat without delete it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.